Welcome to Zevi, Picture and Toys. Today I have 8 Demolition Derby cars, and my name is Zevi, and I'm going to show you what they do and tell you about them. So, one, I have Miss Fritter. This is school bus. She's yellow. She got all these plate license because she won a lot of times. And this says, it's Fritter time. She says that when she's gonna smash all these guys up. I did not break these, but they just came out like these because they're Demolition Derby cars, and she smashed them up. And she has horns. I've never seen a school bus who has horns. If you do, tell me in the comments, and let's keep going. Number 58. Next, I have APB, and he is number 54, and this is the wall, and this is like a circle and then a star inside the circle, and this is busted. I did not break that, it just came out like that, and we had to take the bottom wheel off because my mom wouldn't agree to, and we have it. He has these two things, and this says you can run. So his black eyes, he's a police officer. Next we have Mr. Drippy. He's blue, light blue is on the front, dark blue is on the back. And this says need a bath hippie, call Mr. Drippy. And this says right there, it says I can't really read that, it's so too small. This is water. This does not open, and when you have these, Miss Fritter's one of them too, and when you roll it over like this, it will go wherever you want it to go. Okay, it won't. Kidding. It does that because this wheel spins everywhere it goes and it turns. So next we have Dr. Damage. He has so many decorations. This red line, it says Thunder Hollow area. It says Ramblands, number 5. And this is Dr. Damage. There's a chain that's closing the doors. And he's also a crazy crusher. Next we have RV. He squirts water out and he can float on water. And just press this button for it to squirt water. He's made of plastic. Dr. Damage is made of plastic. APB is made of plastic. Mr. Drippy's made out of plastic. And Miss Fritter's made out of plastic. And sometimes I take a bath with them. This has chains right here. 4 here and 3 here. Next we have Cruz Ramirez. She stirs a plain car, yellow. He's just plain, nothing to show. Next is Chester Robofilter. He's Light McQueen dressed up disguised as a new car, number 50, and his costume is made out of mud. And in the movie, Mr. Drippy fell over, and then the mud came off him, and he started being Lightning McQueen again. The mud came off him. Lastly is Morgan Martins. He says rescue, has a lot of different. It says race DIV and number 17. And he's an ambulance. So now I'm gonna show you a story out of these guys. So let's go. dents. Oh, I'll fix that. Let's go racing. So here it goes. Lightning. And we have our winner, Francis Boatline. I win. So, please make sure to subscribe and make sure you like this video. And if you have questions, tell me in the comments. This is Zevi.